I stop all three indices to the 10-second blue line of all three indices. NAS, SPX, US 30, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Just want to get that in there. I still have to set everything up. Good morning, everybody. Repeating, buy stop to the 10-second blue lines, all three indices, US 30, NAS, and SPX. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What a glorious morning it is. Let me pull this up here. I'm sure you guys are having a bitchy time hearing me. Try that again. Buy stop to the blue lines, 10-second blue lines, all three indices. Repeating it for the, how many ever times that was? Do, 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 do. Oh, we should be live. Yep, I'm live. Good morning. Not live on TikTok yet, but we're live everywhere else. We're live on X. Facebook. And we're live from New York. No. Me and Bree might be going back to New York, but nah, not right now. Buy stops to the blue lines, all three indices, 10 seconds, SPX, NAS, and US 30. I kind of rushed getting on here, so I didn't want you guys to miss the opportunity. I saw it go to the 5-second. We'll be trading through open this morning. Where are we? There we go. Now are we live over here? Aha, I believe I am. Morning, peeps. What's up? Okay, where is... Cheese on pizza. Where is TikTok? TikTok. All right, let's close that off. Ah, no. I think I just closed TikTok. Shit, it's going to take over the whole front here. I knew it. I don't like TikTok. I swear it's a necessary evil. Oh, looks like my gold's doing good. We're up 480. We're up $460. Gold doesn't stop. Evidently, the buy stop I put you on worked yesterday. How's everybody doing this morning? This fine morning. Good morning, Kim the Candle Envy Lady. Thank you for everything you do for us. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Menike and Company. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Orlando Walters. Blessed morning to you. Orlando, we saw a couple expiries go through. Orlando, are you sure that, is there anything I can help you with? I think I emailed you, but I did get a little worried there, so let me know. Okay, release notes. What is TikTok talking about? No one cares. No one wants to know your release notes. TikTok's a joke. Psst. I just see a little tuxie weaseling around. Tux, move on. Little tuxies. Tux. And TikTok's still horse shitting around. My God, it's going to take up my whole show. God, never doing that again. All right. Can you guys hear this voice right here better or no? Because the microphone's screwing up again, but it's got its own dedicated port. I don't know what else to do. So let me know how that sounds to you. TikTok can't even do a studio right, by the way, just so we're clear. TikTok sucks in all ways possible. But I get a lot of people from TikTok, so we're allowing it. Testing. Yep, we're live on TikTok. Okay, I think we're live on TikTok. Yay. That was a waste of 5 minutes of my life I'll never get back. And let's see. Yep. Now, how is the sound? Blessed morning, Orlando. Persistent. What's up, John Wayne? That's a cool name. Does anyone that's under 50 know who John Wayne is, though? I don't know if he's still even known these days. All right, morning, peeps. What do we got going on? Morning, Fletch. Good morning, Kurt. Crypto Griffey. What's up, Crypto Griffey? I haven't seen you in a minute. Richard Tuck. What's up, Richard? Good to see you, sir. Aussie Trader, as always. Good morning. Thomas Crowell. Tariq Palmer. Damn, there's a lot of people this morning. What's up, Lachey? Good to see you. Hey, Goroff. What's up, Goroff? Congratulations again, buddy. Can I tell them your good news? Your fantastic news, by the way. Let me know if I can. Richard Tuck. Oh, it's good? Thanks, Richard. Kim the Candle. Yes, it's good. Old School Mick. Morning, Old School Mick. Martin Lewis. Good morning, Martin. You can go to John Wayne's house. John Wayne was an amazing actor. People kind of make fun of him or whatever. Now, yeah, he's something else, boy. Tell you what, little doggy, or I don't know. He was funny when he talked. Oh, Gorovka says, yes, of course. Well, one of our members, everybody, and for all people who used to doubt, have come to the light. One of our members, and let's see, we don't care about that. Oh, there's new. Yeah, okay. How much time we got left? Good, got it. I'm only trading through open. I'll be leaving after that. One of our members here, he's been with me for, I think, 3 years, actually. 2 years. No, I think it's been 3. Gorov. Right here, he said. He sent me this message the other day. Well, he sent me that he made all this money, and that's yay. I'm an owner. Listen to what Gorov did. I'm an owner of my own broker in Norway. He used lots of dineros, lots of money. I'm sure it did. And I couldn't imagine how many hoops this man had to jump through. It took 3 years to get the paperwork done in its hero markets. So he is a regulated broker in Norway. And he uses the safety trade system. I was so proud of him. I said, that's incredible. He must have jumped through a lot of hoops. Just amazing. Is there anything I can do to help? Yeah, actually, there's something. Never take down the system. I'm building a legacy on your system. It's that good. So can you imagine? So proud of Gorov. He's obviously giving the credit to the system. I have to add, am I allowed to add you, Gorov, to the testimonial page in writing? I didn't want to do it without your permission. Over here, I'm going to add you to this. You'll have your unique category. Did so well, opened his own brokerage house. Isn't that amazing? That's right, Pilgrim. So yes, Gorov has done so well with the safety trade system. One of our fellow members, He has his own brokerage house regulated by the government. Please give a big, huge round of applause to Goroff. Okay, just amazing. Very, very proud of you, my friend. I remember Goroff when he signed up, and he would talk so fast, so many questions, and talk so funny in the Discord. He's a character. He's a good man. He seems like just a fun-loving, good man. Good morning, 69Z28. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. Oh, Michelle, did you write back and I didn't see you writing back? Hold on. She was sweet enough to send over You did. I'll respond to you today, Michelle, I promise. Yeah, go on. I'm honored. Aw. I know. Isn't that amazing? Has anyone ever else heard? Good morning, Positive Relationships and Dwayne Raid. I've never heard of anyone else's. Now, I used to be a part of some groups 15 years ago, 12 years ago. I don't want to exaggerate. And no, they all just were scrambling to survive. Yeah, so any of you that think that you can't do well with the system, you might want to think about that again. Gotta add Goroff's testimony. And I gotta call Ken. Jesus, Ken's gonna kill me. Add Goroff to testimonies. Goroff, the one piece of advice you could give, would it be not to be greedy and to take $500 a day each day? No, I don't know what his number one piece of advice would be, but thank you for allowing me to share that. I'm so proud for you, very happy for you, sir. Very, very happy. It's good when good things happen to, nice people. Blue line hit for Naz. Blue line hit for 10-second blue line hit for Naz. Blue line hit for SPX. 10-second blue line hit for SPX. Admins, can you post a link? A link to what? Oh, thank you, John. Good morning, John. John's over there telling me 10-second touchdown. Thank you. Touchdown. 10-second blue lines, NAS and SPX. TD, so Aussie Trader 2. See, some of you still pay attention. I'm over here rambling. Milestone achieved. I mean, it's like a milestone of a corporation. He just does it like it's nothing. I don't know. You want a link to his? Sure, right here. Hero Markets. Is that what you mean? I'll copy and paste it for you right now. Hero Markets. Da 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 da. Let me see if I can just shove it right here. Oopsie. Yeah, sure. I'll give you a holler out all the time too. There you go. There you go. Morning, Adam. Goroff is one of our fellow members, has opened up his own regulated brokerage house in Norway. I'm just giving him some love. So anyone that thinks the system doesn't work, I'm thinking that you aren't quite putting in the same effort that I see Goroff putting in. Fair enough? Because Goroff can do so well, he can open up his own brokerage house using the system. I'm pretty sure any one of you can figure out how to actually use the system. Jesus. Come on, guys. Sometimes it gets to a point of absurdity. Really? You can't make the system work, but a fellow member can make it work so well he can open his own brokerage house with it. I don't know what to tell you. Try harder. Morning, Little Joe. Morning, Miami Rocks. Good to see you guys on TikTok. Can you hear me good on TikTok, by the way? Michelle Golinsky, you're number one on TikTok. Carl? Hey, Carl. I don't know if I know a Carl on TikTok, but welcome, Carl, on TikTok. Going to check out here. Nice, Orlando Walters. Good. See, you're going to get a whole bunch of promotion off this, Goroff. Pro tip. I love Goroff. He has such a good sense of mind. Let me pull up his hero markets over here. Goroff, whenever I promote other people that help us out, I'm going to promote your hero markets right here. Okay? So whenever I do this, you'll get free promotion. I've been doing this for 3 years. Like he's got his own little app stores. You go, Goroff. Oh my God. Uses Trading View. Oh my gosh, you go. So I'll be doing this for you. Hopefully for the next decade. Awesome. Well, there you go, my friend. CFDs are complex issues come with high risk. 77.9% of retail investors' accounts lose money. Goroff, I'm sure that's true in your country, but I'm telling you, it's 99% of all retail investor accounts lose money. You should understand how CFDs work. I don't know, but I'm just trying to help you there. You probably can't say that. Take profits are hit 1, 2, and 3 for SPX. The next one to fall. Oh, there it is. 15-second buy stop to the blue line for SPX. It's going to change right now. Watch. See, it turned over to green right there. Let me go and go to NAS now. Yep. This will turn to green. You're going to see it. It just ricocheted, came up, hit it, came back down, hit it again. You're going to see this turn back to green. Buy stop to the blue line, NAS and SPX, 15-second blue line. Let me see what the US 30 is doing real quick here. Sorry. 10-second blue line hit US 30. 15-second blue line hit SPX. NAS will hit it in just a second again. You're about to see, hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, this is going to go to the 15-second blue line, US 30. All indices buy stop. Take profit 1 for US 30, 41,793. Take profit 2, 41,812.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Hey, Goroff, can Americans join? Can America use you? Now, I agree with that statement. Dwayne Reid said, the system is absolutely amazing. Trust me, once you know how to use it, you're miles. That is fucking true. Sorry, freaking true. Goroff, yeah, App Store. Go. I know, I love it. Look at you go, Goroff. You're going to make me want to open up my own brokerage house. The House of Bree. See, everyone's going to be like, you need to call it marketing, blah, 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 and you need to have it money making and blah, blah, blah. Pooby Loves Precious is what the name of it will be. Congrats, Goroff. Yes, congrats, Goroff. And we are still trading this morning. We are making the call I made for you guys. To be clear, the call I made this morning for you guys on a free email I gave out this morning is up about 40, 50 pips on US 30 right now. Okay. The free call I gave you this morning on NAS, just so we're clear, was right here. And I gave you this call right here, and it's right here. It is up about 28, so about 25 pips on on NAS, or 40 pips on US 30. And then I'm sure SPX isn't going to be that many pips, but it'd be very good. All three indices did exactly like I said they would do, which was go up. And it's up about 7 pips. It's different with SPX. They don't move as much. So you're talking about maybe 50, 60, 70 pips I gave you for free with 100% accuracy. The House of Bree sounds so good. Doesn't it sound so cool? Oh, not as of yet international clients. Okay. So just people in where? In Norway or in the European Union? I don't want to tell someone to go to your and use your, I don't want to send people your way and flood you or give you business that you can't use. You know what I'm saying? But I'm sure we have people from Norway listening. Obviously, you do. Or the European Union. I know we have people from the European Union. The House of Brie. I love it. Doesn't that sound good? The House of Gucci or whatever they called themselves, remember? Where are all my sticky notes? Come on. Gosh, I got so much work to do. The House of. We'll see. Well, anyway, very, very proud. How's my gold trade doing? Let's take a look at my trade. Reading trade bows. Trade gold buy 113, up $476 an ounce. It was just up $460 an ounce yesterday. So now we're up even more. That is $47,594 profit, just so we're clear. Yay. Nice little trade. EU affiliates to the GPR rules. Trading should be open today or tomorrow worldwide. Oh, shit. What do you mean open today worldwide? You mean, all right, Goroff, I'm not going to put you on the spot. Please come on again maybe in a week and give me an update to where you're at. I don't want to, that is of yet for national clients. Trading should be open today or tomorrow worldwide. Oh, ISU. Oh, shit. Fuck. 15 second, 30. There you go. Touchdown. Woo! All right. All right. Who is trading with you live? 10-second and 15-second charts. Who? Who is? And look at these trades, peeps. Wow. That's amazing. Touchdown. Thank God, said Martin Lewis. Yep. Isn't this fun? It does. So, wait, hold on a second. Let me just check something. Hell, it didn't even make it down yesterday. 1 hour sell stop, US 30, as it's going up. I just love to fuck with you guys. All right, listen, it's doing these ups to push the down, or you can just be patient and wait for the daily, weekly buy stop. That's up to you. US 30. It is towards the 30-second blue line buy stop for US 30. It's also equally true a sell stop 1 hour. It's also equally true and better. I guess that's not equally true then if it's better, is it? So betterly than true is the daily buy stop US 30. I love this daily buy stop US 30. So sevens if I'm clear on my call out for US
Demo
30.
trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Please understand. Understand US 30 has printed us a shit ton of money this morning already. Shit ton. Look at all these pips. Crazy. All you doubters and haters out there. Guess what? Nothing more. Look, you're looking at 70 pips off a 10-second freaking call. Yay, baby. All right, so you guys are good on that? Let's keep it rolling. NAS. NAS is being traded to the 10-second. NAS was traded to the 15-second. I have a little more confidence for, oh God, it already hit the 30. It already hit the 1 minute. You go. No, it's not going there. Hold on, let me see SPX. Yep, 1 minute. Yep, 3 minute. SPX to its 3 minute blue line. Equally true. 1 hour sell stop SPX. Betterly than equally true. Weekly buy stop SPX. Do, 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 do. Okay. I love the weekly buy stop SPX. Sevens if I'm clear on that.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Mike Glowinski and Michelle Glowinski. You're both on, Mike and Michelle. All right, next. NAS. Just called out accurately to the 10-second, to the 15-second. It's already past the 30. It's going to go towards its 3 minute blue line. Buy stop NAS towards the 3 minute blue line. I don't think it's going to make it, but it may. Equally true. 1 hour sell stop NAS. Betterly than true. Wait, better than equally? Whatever. Weekly buy stop. And this time I'm going to give you some numbers. By the way, I don't know if you guys ever look at your rules like Goroff just said to do. Look. People just so silly to me. Watch this shit. Okay. In your rules, let's test to see if any of you ever look at them. Right here. Right in here in the rules, it says if price action is to the left of my indices, it only can go up. And it's to the left and below, it can only go down. So when you see this right here, and you see this right here, doesn't this look like price action is to the, look, it came up, price action stayed to the left and it went up. Stayed to the left and went up. Stayed to the left and went up. Stayed to the left and went up. That's what it's going to do. And this is for NAS. And this is nothing more, because I was trying to teach the guys yesterday. It was a long session. It was a horrible session, but it ended up being a really good session for training. And when you realize that our logo, little green up arrow, red down arrow, I quit trying to teach you guys this, but it works flawlessly. You see, each time it made its little, look, each time it pulled back, it made its sniper pull back. Once, twice, 3 times, my lover, 4 times. Every one of you, I still say, overcomplicates my system Just trust it. It's beautiful. Can you not see price action staying to the left? Meaning the orange line is to the left, price went below, orange went to the left, price action went up, orange to the left. It does it on US 30, NAS, SPX, Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. Look, this is your Bitcoin weekly chart. Started below, stay to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Bitcoin is going to go up again. I don't care. I don't like Bitcoin. I think it's a pile of shit. There's no utility to it, but whatever. It's going to go up again because that's what it's going to do. Bitcoin will go to $95,700.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
It couldn't be any more obvious. If my orange line stayed to the left, price stayed to the left. It did it here. Look, Bitcoin will go back up again. What about XRP? What's the call? Gee, I don't know. XRP was shit for 3 years or longer. Came over. It's going to go back up again. It's to the left. It's making its space. The pink line has dropped. The purple's coming down. Once the purple comes down far enough on the weekly and then the pink swipes crosses it, you will see XRP go past 262 again. Period. This isn't a question. This isn't an if. This isn't a maybe. I'm telling you for a fact what's going to happen. Don't believe me, don't care. MRV, baby. MRV Dreamlight. Thank you, Martin. All right. Does everyone get this lesson I'm throwing in here for free? Yes or no? It's part of our rules. All you have to do is print this little picture out here for your buys. And when you see this, look at it. That's all you have to do. You don't have to watch the video. Print the fucking picture right there. That's it. And then when you see it pop up, that's what it's going to do. You want me to dumb it down any more than that? I don't know how to help you. What do you want from me? There's only so many simplifications I can make before you have to have some common sense in your life. Jiminy Christmas. See, look. J&J 3 month. Came up hooked, stay hooked. Sniper, 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 sniper. I swear, if anyone is dropping the sniper, because I've seen a couple people, whatever, you're done. Unless it's for legitimate financial or health reasons, you're not getting back in the sniper for a year. You'll see. I'm going to give everybody a little warning shot. I'm going to send them out an email. And then that's it. You will not get the robot when it comes out. I'm done. So, whatever. I'm here to help you all, but fuck that. I respect loyalty. I give loyalty and I respect loyalty. All right, I hope that little lesson helped you, though. So when you see, for instance, Johnson & Johnson's orange line staying to the left, you see this of the red and the yellow, you can't go down, can't go down, can't go down. Meaning it can't turn into a sell. It cannot and will not and never has. Oh, what about MRVL PQRS? Doesn't matter. MRVL. Marvel, baby. But not the right Marvel. This Marvel sucks. That used to be Marvel's call, Marvel Studios, MRV. I think I give you the speech every time I look this thing up for. Do I think it will? What's up, Kurt? Kurt, how was your training yesterday? And I'll answer your question. I know the sound sucked and everything was bad, but I think it still was an exceptionally good training session, is why I'm asking him. Marvel. Well, you're too late, whatever the hell this is. Okay, you're too late. Wait, is it down here? Whoa, whoa, whoa. You might not be too late. Hold on. Oh, this is a great time to buy this thing. What is this thing? Yeah, this is really good. It was awesome. Poor Kurt's over there. He's with two guys who had never had traded once in their lives. Very nice guys. I really liked them. Uh, I won't mention their names, but he's in there. He has all this trading experience. They're just starting off, and he's probably thinking, "Man, did they just stumble upon a gold mine?" Because they'd have to learn all that bullshit, all the old ways. They'd have to forget all the ways of trade, or SIs, and all the whatever bullshit, naming of candle and candy patterns, looking to the left, volume. They'd have to learn all that shit, and they avoided all that. Like they got the cheat code. He might be a little pissed. No, he was good. Kurt was great too. Big help. Do I think US 30 will hit its 5 minute? I don't know. I'll look in that a little more detail in just a few minutes. Let me finish this analysis right here. Rich OBX. Is that right, Rich? Congratulations. 3 years. Wow, my friend. Doesn't time fly? And Rich, I'm telling you right now, anyone that's been with me for 3 years, there's going to be different versions of the bot made. I'm going to use the people who have been with me 3 years. And this is a whole nother year from now, by the way, when the bot will be done. I know it's been a long process, trust me. But when I get that bot done, I'm going to have Rich and those that have been with me 3 years be the testers, the beta testers for it, for free. And I don't know if Rich OBX's ears perked up on that. Oh, I won on the H&H NAS 100 contract for 250. Nice, Kurt. Congrats. See, I know. Kurt is going to eat this. The whole entire market's up over the next year. I think Kurt is motivated. So yes, anybody that's been with me 3+ years, by the time the bot comes out, which is a whole nother year, you'll be my beta testers for it for free. I'm going to tell Keith. I.e., you're going to have early access to the robot. I might even give it to the people who are also in my sniper or signals. Free beta. 3-year people. And what do you call that thing? And sniper. Okay. For a robot. Keith. Because Keith will always be looking for testers, and I'll be using you guys as the free testers. Does that make sense to you, Rich? I hope you understand what I'm giving you. That's going to be the gift of a motherfucking lifetime. And then when they see it works, they can go ahead and purchase at that time. Yeah. 100% says Rich. Rich is like, fuck yeah. Rich knows when I'm done with something, it's going to be working. It's going to be working. I'm getting much, much more familiar with the silliness of this funded trader bullshit, but I'll start on that right after I'm done with this crypto version coming up. All right. So how we doing? Thank you, God, for another day above ground. Thank you, God, for another day of all of our health. Trust me, you don't know how close things come in a day. Wow. But at any rate, thank you for keeping me healthy and my wife, my beautiful wife, Bree. Please let your will be done in all of our lives. Forgive us of all of our sins. Look after everyone that's hearing my voice and open up their ears so they can understand how to trade my system. Thank you, God, for everything. Forgive us of all of our sins. Amen. Kim Bernard says, oh, Kim heard. Adam heard. Yeah. I'm going to tell the other Kims too. We got to tell everybody. Always generous, Kevin. Yeah, why not? You guys just support me while I develop all this and get this, because trust me, when the robot's done, the safety trade system is already known by chat GPT and all that. But I'm telling you, when I'm done with that robot, we'll be fucking Pitbull, Mr. Worldwide. It's going to be it'll be undeniable what's occurring. That's all. Undeniable. Now, are we going to the 5 minutes? That someone asked. I don't think so. For US 30, I don't think it's going to make it there. No. No. I mean, will it eventually? Yes. Is it now? No. Will it eventually go to the 5 minute? Yes, 100%. Because why is it 100% for sure going to go to the 5 minute? Because it is a daily, weekly buy stop for US 30. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. 10 minute to market open. Please do not trade market open. It moves very fast. Am I going to trade market open? Am I going to trade market open? Let's see how it looks. Let's go on down to the east side. 1 minute buy. 30-second buy to the blue line. 30-second buy to the blue line. US 30. It's going to go up and touch this blue line. You're going to see this thing flip. You're going to see, let me raise this up. You're going to see this come up a little bit. Watch. You're going to see this space right here fill in. You're going to see this pink come up, cross the purple. The pink's going to come up to this orange. This is the sniper. Watch it go up. See right here? See it? Watch. This is going to flip. Here you go. It's going to go up right now, by the way. I'm telling you it's going up as it's going up from my voice to God's ears to your wallets. There it goes. Watch it close. There it just changed the green. Told you. See the gap fill in right here. See the pink rise up. It'll hit take profit 1. It already did. Take profit 2 is always this orange line right there. It hit take profit 2. I love that take profit. Take profit 3 will be right here. You see it going up as I'm telling you it's going to go up. It goes up the exact time because this is the timing of the sniper. For those of you getting rid of the sniper, not due to financial reasons, I think you're the silliest people on earth. And I'm actually to the point, I'm so pissed about it that I'm going to ban you for life from the sniper. If you are not respecting the sniper enough, I'm not giving it to you anymore. You will not have access to it, even if you come begging and crawling to me. I'm offended. There's not many of you. We have hundreds and hundreds of you are keeping it, but I do not respect anyone that is not respecting this thing. This sniper is the most important indicator in the history of the world. Look at it go up, as I told you. Now listen to what I'm saying to you. I didn't just say what was going to happen. I told you it was going to happen. I told you when this was going to go up and what it was going to do, and it did it when I told you. That is different than me just predicting it and saying, oh, this is going to hook and go back. I told you that was the time for movement. Now it's done, by the way. It'll go up higher than that. Take profit 2 is hit. Take profit 1 is hit. And that is US 30. Do you see the difference? So I am telling you the exact second of this trade that it was going to go up and exactly how high it would go. Is that clear enough for all of you? What's up, Barani? Good morning, Barani. What's up, Marley Mar? Good morning, Marley Mar. Dwayne, getting excited. Yeah, we're going to have Bree's Gold Bot. Bree Bot. It's going to be the Bree Bot. Gold's Bree Bot. I forgot who named that. And then we're going to have another one for NAS. And then we'll have another one for Bitcoin. That's going to be a tricky one. And then we'll have a bot for I'll call it NAS, but I'll make a bot for NQ1. Can you imagine passing your funded trader accounts with a bot? And you think I'm not so pissed at Vanguard and BlackRock that I will gladly create this bot to give each and every one of you funded traders a little robot working on your side. Dumb fucks. When they made me lose for 2.5 years, $26,500, They fucked with the wrong person. I'm telling you, they made a huge mistake. They didn't realize how competitive I am. Where has your blue line gone? Where, oh, where is it at? Da 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 da. It's there. It's just covered up with. Look, we'll go over to this one. See, ding ding ding, chicken dinner. I just made the orange lines thicker because what happens is on the higher time frames, you can't see them all. When you're on dealing with some weeklies and 3 weeklies, the blue line isn't there, so I just use the orange line. That's all. But it's there. Barani, good morning, Barani. What's up, Larry Cooper? Did you hear the news about who's going to be doing the beta testing for my upcoming within the year, not current robot? That is you, Larry, someone that's been with me a long time. All right, now let's get back to making some even more money. 30-second, 1 minute. What do I want to do? Let's go over to my other setup. I thought you could see this. And people out there are so weird. All right, let's leave SPX up today. And NAS. Yeah, let's see what we got here. One minute. All 3 indices, 1 hour sells. We're going to try to make money before those 1 hours, though. Currently, we're looking at these buy stops. The question of the day is, can they get to their 3 minutes? And that's a strong no, but oh no, I was right. SPX hit its 3 minute blue line. SPX hit its 3 minute blue line. Yep, it did. Beautiful. Now, are we saying that? Let me see that US 30 again. When market opens in 3 minutes, do not play market open. If you're going to play market open, demo trade only. You're only supposed to be demo trading only anyways. Do not, I move really, really fast if I'm going to trade it. Right now, I'm not feeling it, but we'll see. Yeah, okay, let me see this. 10-second buy stop, SPX. Take profit 1. NAS, sorry. Take profit 1, 19,222. Take profit 2. I love this take profit 2, 19,225. Yeah, let's focus in on NAS, it looks like. Hold on. Let me see. I'm going to pull US 30. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so there's NAS. Okay, keep holding. We have about a minute and a half to market open. US 30, 10-second buy stop. US 30, 10-second buy stop. I want to see about this NAS. If you don't want to play these 10 seconds, go to the hourly, play a sell. If you don't want to play the sells, do what's right and go up to the daily, weekly, and play a buy. Yeah, well, let's follow NAS. Let's follow SPX. 10-second buy, SPX. 10-second buy stop, SPX.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
1 minute to market open, 1 minute to market open. 15-second buy. 30-second buy. I'm going to follow NAS. Follow NAS down. Is this US 30? No, I don't care about it. I'm going to go to US 30. US 30 is a 10-second buy. I love that. That's fine. Take profit 1 for NAS. 19,203. Take profit 2. 19,210. Take profit 3. 19,219. Take profit 4. I just love take profit 4. 19,222.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I'm going to focus in on this shit. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not going to trade it. I like this. This is good. Market open. Market open. Dropping hard. Let it drop. This is great. US 30 to the 10-second blue line. Sell stop. I wouldn't take the trade. Feel free to, though, if you like. We're watching right here to go down to the blue line, which it did. And we're waiting here is what we're looking at. So that's all we're doing. Let's go to US 30, see if we can follow that down for you. Nothing. 30-second buy. 30-second buy to the 1 minute blue line. 3 minute sell. 5 minute sell. 1 hour sell stop. Now this is what we're waiting for though over here. Just wait. Be patient. Pink will cross blue here shortly down here on the sniper. Take profit 1 hit on NAS. Take profit 1 hit on NAS. You can close down 1 order. Take profit 2 hit on NAS. You can close down your second NAS. Take profit 3 hit on NAS. Take profit 3 hit on NAS. Told you. See the pink cross the blue? See the power of the sniper? Look, take profit 2 hit. Told you where it was going. Told you where I should have put it on my alarms. There it is. And I can leave you in good sound peace. Yay! Congratulations. Good morning, Eric. Martin Lohr and the other 2 others have hit. Yep. All right. There you go. Does everyone see how I played that? Well, I would have played the NAS. Calling it out live for you. I don't know why I hooked on NAS because the 3 of them were fine, but that NAS was just too tempting. There you go. You see that buy? All take profits hit for NAS. Please swing on over to the store, buy the system. Is there any left, by the way? I thought we were a little low. Yeah, getting a little low. 575, buy that one. Well, we sold out of those. All right, there you go. Yay. Well, that was anticlimactic, but fun. I love when I'm right. And there you go. You see that? You got in on the orange. Take profit 1, take profit 2. It always hits. Take profit 3. And there you go. You're done. Well, that was nice. Still 100% win rate, says Gaurav. Yay! Made a lot off than has. Glad to help, Goroff. Now, God bless you all. Everyone have a great day. Lord willing, I will see you this time tomorrow. God bless. Talk to y'all later. Thank you for being here. Rebuy. You can re-enter again if you'd like to do that, but I'm not.